everybody, welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a brand new product from Advanblack. It's going to be the color matched chin spoiler. Now this one that we have today is for the 2014 to 2016 air-cooled models only. It's a really quick install, guys. It's just 2 bolts on the back here, and I'll walk you through putting it on the bike. It's very simple, but it is the chin spoiler. It has, of course, the hole in the bottom for the oil cooler, so you get plenty of air there, and then 2 more additional holes in it, so you still get that much needed air to the front of your motor. So you get a little bit of style, but you also keep your motor pretty cool too as well. This will fit anywhere from like a 16-inch, which I don't really see anybody running a 16-inch on the front, but it will fit a 16-inch all the way up to a 30-inch, and it can also be used on raked or non-raked bikes. So on our bike in particular, we're running the 21-inch front wheel with a stock fender. This will fit, and you will still have room to move your front wheel and not hit anything. So when we decided to design this, we kept a couple of things in mind, that not everyone has a raked front end and not everyone has the same size wheel and tire and fender. So coming up with this design allows us to put it on even more bikes. It'll also work with the lowers. I have the lowers on this 2014, and this slides right in there. But what I will tell you, if you have lowers on your motorcycle, go ahead and loosen the 2 bottom straps that hold the lowers onto the crash bar, and you can move those lowers just a little bit. Just move them out of the way just a touch, enough to get this in without scratching the side of this or scratching the side of your lower. But it's very simple. Get the chin spoiler put on, put your lowers back into place, and tighten it back down. Very simple, but I'll walk you through that on this bike. But our bike is kind of the perfect setup for the 14 to 16. It's going to cover just about everything that might come into play. Running, like I said, like running a 21-inch wheel with a stock fender. So I don't really have that curved fender. It's the stock bulky 2014 to 16-inch front fender from Harley. So you'll see that there's plenty of clearance in there. Plus running a bigger wheel. I've even got the fender lifted an inch with the risers, so it still doesn't interfere with the chin spoiler. And also the front end of the bike is not raked. It's just the standard rake that's on a 2014 to 16 touring model. So you'll see that that's in there as well. So one of the questions that kept coming up with the guys that I was speaking to about designing the chin spoiler, one of the questions that always kept coming up was, well, what's it do? Is there any benefit to having it? No, absolutely not. It's purely aesthetic. It's a chin spoiler for a motorcycle. You're not going to put this on and catch Valentino Rossi in a corner at 130 mile an hour, guys, because this pushed the front end of your bike down. Now, before I get into the install, guys, I want to say a huge thank you to everybody out there that's been subscribing to the channel. Every day, the channel's growing like crazy. I got a little bit behind last week. We went on vacation, but I'm back now. And got all caught up on the comments. I love kicking it around with you guys on YouTube. If you guys have any questions or comments about this install or anything else on the channel, you guys know the deal. I check YouTube every day, and I just wanted to let you know that I appreciate the hell out of all you guys. Check out the channel. Over 100 bagger related videos on there. If you like what you see, hit the like button on the video. If you like the channel, subscribe. That's what keeps this channel growing and going, and allows us to come out here and make these videos for you. Always free videos, guys. We don't charge you to watch the videos. We don't do the Patreon thing. We never ask you for money. Our channel is all about saving you money. So check out the channel. There's other stuff on there besides the Advanblack stuff for the touring motorcycles that'll help you. A lot of maintenance stuff on there too. So without further ado, guys, let's get this chin spoiler on. Like I said, it's a really quick, simple install. I just want to get it on video so you can see it. 2 bolts in the back. You'll see down there on your A-frame in the middle, you've got a crossbar with 2 holes already on the bike. That's where these go. All right, guys, so the first thing I want to do is remove the oil cooler cover, and this is a chrome one from Harley Davidson. It's just like the plastic one that you have on your bike if you have the stock one. It's very, very easy to remove. There's 2 pins down here that go into rubber grommets, and then 2 metal clips up here. So if you just simply pull from the bottom just like that, you raise up on the bottom a little bit and pull out, and this will come right off. So we just want to get that out of the way. And then of course you can see on the frame here where the 2 holes are for the 2 bolts. It's very simple. I've loosened the lowers down here so I can move these out slightly. They don't move a whole lot, but it's enough to give you a little bit of room so you don't scratch anything. Carefully slide that chin spoiler up into place. You want to make sure that the top is tucked under the crash bar, and then allow it to go all the way on and go on to the oil cover. Now I'm going to have to get up on the inside, which will be kind of hard for you guys to see, but I'm going to go ahead and put the washers and the nuts on with a little bit of blue Loctite. So I've moved the camera to the other side, and hopefully you guys can see, but right down in there you've got the 2 bolts poking through the 2 holes on the frame. You're going to put your washers, your nuts, and your Loctite, and your install is done. All right, so bear with me guys. I took it off the tripod here, but I'm going to try and hold it steady so you can see. I'm going to let you get up in there and see what that looks like. You can see the clearance between the fender. Plenty of room to turn the wheels with no interference. Let's see if I can get to the other side here so you can see it a little better from this side. As you can see, the screen, plenty of air for your oil cooler and plenty of air for your motor right there in the middle. So that is pretty much it, guys. Very, very simple install. A couple of bolts, couple of washers, couple of nuts, a little drop of blue Loctite, and you're done. It's about a 10-minute install, taking your time so you don't scratch anything. Like I said, this one will be available for the 14 to 16 air-cooled models only. We will be working on the 09 to 13s and of course the Milwaukee 8 version 17 up. Those will be out soon, but right now we have the 14 to 16 available, color matched, shipped to your door, ready to install on your bike. To check out the release date on this, go to advanblack.com, sign up for the newsletter, and you'll be one of the first ones to know when this product drops on the website. If you have any questions on this install or this part or what it may or may not work with, of course, I think I've covered everything, but if I haven't, comment down below. I check YouTube every day, and I'll get back to you as quick as I can and help you the best that I can. So if you have any questions that I don't answer on YouTube, call the Advanblack service line. You'll get a hold of me, and hopefully I can help you a little bit better there. I'm going to get my butt out of here and get back to work. And until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.